Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, check out COWBOY Renovation. I'm going to put a link in the description box below. This is a project that I've been working on and I'm using this as an example of why to use it and how helpful it is to use COWBOY Renovation. In the basement now, we've finished the ones upstairs and I've done a quick walk around already. If you check some of my previous vlogs, I've already done one where I walked around them, so I won't bore you with that again. I'll show you a video now, actually. I'll put it to one side, I'll put it down here, just so you can just have a quick walk around of the ones that we did upstairs. I'll show you flat 3 and flat 4. If I haven't just put it down there at the side, I'll upload it and put a link in the description box below, so you can have a look at the ones upstairs. Now all these have sold, bar one. We haven't yet sold these two down here, but it is still looking a bit like a building site. Now, getting straight in, fast forward into COWBOY Renovation. The whole reason to use COWBOY Renovation is so you can track the job as it's going along, and it's for everyone. It's not just for the project manager like myself to make sure everything's going as it should be in the right order. I would have loved to have used COWBOY Renovation for this full building, but unfortunately, it wasn't ready. When I say it wasn't ready, I don't mean this building wasn't ready, but COWBOY Renovation, the software wasn't ready to go when this project was started. Basically, we've got 2 flats per floor. So 2 flats per floor, 4 floors. We're in the basement at the moment, and I've managed to use COWBOY Renovation for just the basement. The good thing about it is you'll be able to see for yourselves that it's as simple as just taking a photograph and you can upload them. You can upload 20 photographs at a time. I mean, I wish you could do 100, but your computer would be falling asleep while it's doing that. So I've limited it to just uploading 20 photographs at a time. Best thing to do, in my opinion, is rather than on your phone leaving comments under each picture. I mean, you don't have to leave any comments, let me tell you that right now. You can just upload the photograph. But if you did want to leave a comment, maybe just a bit of a description of what you've taken a photograph of, or maybe even an instruction saying, when you're reading this, please ensure that this is taken out, or please ensure that you use this on that. You know, so you can put an instruction on there as well. Photographs do speak 1,000 words, and as long as you've seen the full stages, not just the beginning and end, a lot can be hidden in between. If you're seeing stages, you can see how something's been put together, and then you can go, right, well done, good job, here's the next job. Now, the website itself, I've made it very simple because I do understand and appreciate when you're working on the tools, the last thing you want to do is be distracted by getting out your phone every 2 minutes. However, it is useful to take photographs as you're going along, and it's all in a centralized space, and on top of that, it's really easy to upload. And if a picture, a photograph speaks 1,000 words, and that, in essence, is why I created COWBOY Renovation. So this is the front door into the building, or into the apartment. This is apartment number 1 at the front of the building. So you've got the bay window right at the front. This is a Howden's kitchen. You've got all integral appliances. So you've got the kitchen, you've got the fridge freezer there. Ignore the fact that we've got the sink there, because that's going to be going into there. So we're going to have the washing machine here. Then we're going to have the dishwasher here, cooker, and the hood. And then the boiler's going in that wall cabinet there. So this has been really neatly done by my guys who are doing the sort of like, it's a dry lining method. And this is the finish actually. So this hasn't been painted. This is actually the finish, but it's so smooth. I'm actually preferring it to using multi-finish plaster, using this stuff, because it can be sanded down and it's just so plumb that unless you've got the best plaster in the world, they're not going to be able to match this sort of standard. And plasterers, good plasterers, are very hard to come by, let me tell you that right now. So to walk through, and this is just the hallway for the apartment. Let's just turn around so you can actually just see in here. Like I said, it looks like there's still quite a bit to do. There's really not. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Still need to fit the furniture. All the first fix has been completed. Second fix is complete in terms of the tiling. We just need to get the furniture fitted. And again, this needs carpeting, skirting boards need to be put on, architrave, doors, handles, and that's it. So this is the living room. Remember the columns? I mean, they did give us a lot of food for thought when we were thinking what to do with those. So we decided to knock them down. And if you look at the photographs in the link of what they looked like before, if you go all the way back, there used to be actually just a window here. Ignore that and ignore that, because these windows didn't exist before, so it was just a wall, and a window right there. And then we excavated outside because that was your ground level outside before, but we excavated all that outside to make it so that you could walk out and have breakfast. Because all you need do is go on to Track My Renovation, or even easier than that, all you need to do is go in the description box below, click on the link, and you can have a look at how we got from where we started to where it is now. As always guys, I'll end on saying please, please, please hit the subscribe button below. I can't do this without you. This is a journey that a lot of people who know me, that know how hard I've been working on, I want everyone to be part of it. So please, please, please hit the subscribe button below, and please do continue to follow this journey, because we are going to get there in the end. I'll see you next time. Until then, take care.